Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can create a halftone effect in Canva. So this effect is pretty much the artifact of the printing technology that we have a few decades ago, and you probably have seen that on comic books, on magazines, and it's kind of giving the old look to the image, and I think it looks really cool. So here's how you can apply that to any image in Canva. I'm going to move on to the second page, which is the original state of this picture. So there's a woman, there is a background, and I'm going to make this woman to have the halftone effect. So what you can do is you have to select the image and you want to click edit, and after that, on the app sections, you want to scroll to the right until you find the one that says screen. This is the name of the app that we are going to use. Click on it, and if you are doing it for the first time, it may prompt you with a message to confirm that you want to open this app. You have to click the open button at the bottom right here, and after that you will see this option. There are 4 different presets, and you can click on any of them to immediately preview the result. And of course, they're actually the same thing, except the setting is different. And if you click halftone, you can apply different value. You can increase or reduce the scale. You can also reduce the halftone amount. You can also change the scale, change the lino cut amount. So yeah, there are plenty of settings that you can play around, and after that you can click save, and that would be applied to that image, and the image is actually being uploaded to your Canva account. So that's essentially a brand new image that is not affecting the original image. So there you have it. That's the halftone effect in Canva. I hope you find this video to be helpful, and I'll see you on the next video.